Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Hey, hello. How you doing? Hello, mate.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Now this is good. Here you go, officer.
You're a star. Thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
I wish you the best next couple of days. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Really good, man.
Oh, it's lovely.
Woo's allowed us to utilise his caravan, people, yeah? And this is where the cooking's going. And Woo, come, look what's cooking.
Welcome to Jaywick.
That's it, that's it.
Well, I won't be doing that again.
Come on, look at this.
Cheers.
Does your colleague want one as well?
I think she's fine. I'm fine, thank you, though. I'm fine.
The last.
Oh, what?
It's really good. Really good. Really hot. Really hot. I can taste everything he's put in there, isn't it? Right.
I didn't know. Mine's good. Oh, bless her. Oh, jeez.
I had the worst part of it, man.
No, fuck ya.
She'll regret it.
Should we regret it?
Yeah. We'll do that.
It'll warm you up.
Alright.
Gentlemen, thank you very much. Cheers.
Have a good night.
Well done, my friend.
Well done for cooking all the soup.
I don't know what role he played.
How was your shoot?
It's good, man. I tried it. It's really good.
Who's made the soup?
A chef, by the sounds of things.
Yes, man. Me and this young man here, he's been my shoe chef today.
Oh, have you?
Well
So,
done.
have you been chopping?
You've done a very good job.
Yeah? Have you been...
He's been my assistant. You're welcome. Good vibes. House. Big up Whiskers. He smells the pot and he's...
Yeah, he wants to get the food.
No,
Yeah,
people,
and
look, we're
joking,
we're having a vibes down here in Jaywick, you know, it's not even a joke, it's a good vibes.
Yeah.
Now, hold up top, that's it.
Yeah.
Good vibes. Go on, you have to get it all down the bottom and stir it for me. That's it.
Yeah.
And what's look, one love, brother, we've got some homemade wine here. What a vibes. Yeah.
Cheers to you, Ringo.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
And cheers to you, Willie. Thank you very much. We was able to bring out the community here at Jaywick, and we've got the street community out, people, yeah. While the pot is inside the caravan cooking. This is just such an amazing thing. Like we're cooking for the community.
What's your name?
Banging 2 banging sandwiches around mine
Yeah.
because I had this really good cheese.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's better
Reece,
than them sandwiches.
what's this smell like?
Tell everyone your name.
Mason Rogers.
Look, everyone, just wish Mason Rogers a happy birthday. Early one, please, yeah? Thank you very much. Good vibes. Good vibes. Some chili are going in the pot right now. Look at that. Wow. We just dropped 2 of them and just let them just rest in there. Look at that. Wow.
We're so lucky for you to come down here.
No, you're welcome, man.
Jaywick is a good area, very good area. And some of the people down here ain't that good, but it's a very good area.
It's your mate that's just arrived.
Yeah.
Come in. What's your mate's name?
Reece.
Reece, well one. Good, yeah? Ask them if they've tried goat curry.
Have you ever tried goat curry?
Pub. So I reckon I could pop a home hug people, yeah, we're on the go right now, good vibes. Yeah man, look, we're gonna wash off some time and put some time in the pot. Yes everybody, welcome to the program. Guess what, we're on right now. So we've actually found a spot and I'm here and I'm in Jaywick, people. Look, Adam's here with me. Good vibes everybody, yeah. So guess what? The kitchen's actually here in Jaywick. Let's come out the way because some cars are coming right now. To show the people I'm coming through. Good vibes, that is it. Go on.
All good.
You alright, mate?
Yeah. Good, mate.
Alright, so good vibes, yeah, so some locals are passing through. So what's happening right now, people, yeah? We're just going to kick off the kitchen and we're going to cook the authentic vegetable soup right here in Jaywick and hopefully feed some locals, yeah? And some people, there's not much homeless people here in the town of Jaywick that we've come across. We haven't seen any, but the place is deprived. As you can see, the building right behind us is in non-use, but there's a house here, people, yeah. And as you go up the street as well, there's empty land there for sale and stuff like that, and there's an empty house at the end of the street as well. You understand? Adam, you're my assistant in the kitchen today, so so what I want you to do is get me some water so that I can just wash off the pumpkin and put the pumpkin in the pot. Yeah man, a good vibe. That's it.
Wash off everything.
Yeah. All right, everybody. So what I'm doing right now, yeah, I'm just cutting up the pumpkin, yeah, and just preparing this to go into the pot. So what we're doing today, yeah, we're making some vegetable soup. Yeah, man, I have good vibes now. We're here in Jaywick, and I'm actually excited to cook here in Jaywick, people, yeah. And I hope you guys are excited that I actually brought you lot down here as well. Good vibes. Big up yourself. That is it. So Adam's here with me. So Adam's my assistant.
Yes,
Come in, Adam. So he's gonna use the garden. Just wash up in the garden quickly. Yeah, man. That is it. Good vibes. Nice. Alright, so look, pumpkin now. Let's cut the pumpkin. Put some pumpkin in the pot. Good. That is it. And I think I'm going to put a bit more pumpkin in the pot, people, yeah? Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, watch your fingers, yeah? Alright, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, so I'm just putting some tomatoes as well in the soup as well, people, yeah? Good vibes. Adam, just give me a look of rinse off. Yes, people. So we're putting some tomatoes in the soup. Come in and have a look. Come in and have a look and see what's happening right now, yeah? So we're just seasoning up the pot right now, putting the tomatoes in, and we're just gonna make all of this just boil up and just become absolutely nothing inside of the pot. And this is gonna give us the color and the flavors that we're looking for later on down, especially with the pumpkin. When the pumpkin dissolves in the pot, people, yeah, we're gonna add some thyme in the pot as well. Come on, you have to put the camera on me when I'm talking as well, so you have to be multitasking. We've got a new camera personnel, people, so yeah, big up the camera personnel, you understand? We're there, so we're in Jaywick, and guess what, we're cooking some vegetable soup. Dash some thyme in the pot. Come and have a look in the pot. So our good vibes. Yeah, man, sir. Dash some thyme in the pot. Our good vibes. And what I'm gonna put in next here is some scallion, people, yeah? Yeah, man, that is it. Put some scallion in the pot. You know that the scallion carries a lot of flavor and it carries a lot of aroma. A good vibe. This is like a straight backyard thing, said way, you know. It's so authentic to be out here cooking outside for community. This community is a community population of about 4,000, because I've done a research on Google, everybody, yeah. So yeah, man, we're not in a massive community. It's a tiny community, this one, people, yeah. So big up the people them of Jaywick, you understand, and big up the people them that come through, you understand, and that's been showing us support so far. Our good vibes, you understand. What we aim to do, today's our first day in Jaywick. We don't know if we're even going to be staying here overnight, people, yeah. We've got enough ingredients. A good vibe, said we. Yes, people, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just stripping off some carrot. Yeah, man, I'm just preparing the vegetables them quickly. A good vibe just right here. You understand? So what I'm going to do is just give the carrot them a little rinse off, said way. You understand? That is it. So yeah, people, I'm excited to meet some people and give them some food. So if you've ever heard of Jaywick before, put it in the comment section. If you've ever been here before, put it in the comment section, people, yeah. And where would you like to see us next? You understand? We're there right at our Jaywick right now, and we'll cook up the food in Jaywick, people, yeah. Good vibes. Like I said, there's not really like a major town centre like that in this little village. You understand? It's right next to the sea coast, it's right next to the seaside, people, yeah. So I could imagine down in the summertime, it must be quite a bit vibrant and busy out here as well. You understand? Innit, Adam?
Yeah, mate, definitely.
Must be a bit busy, innit?
Definitely.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put some onion in the pot, people, yeah. A good vibe. So we put scallion, we put thyme, we put the pumpkin, we put the tomatoes, we're putting the red onions now, and after the red onions, what we're gonna put in next is some peppers. We're gonna put some peppers in, people, yeah. And this is all to add towards the flavour. We'll make the thing vibrant for the people them down here in Jaywick, people, yeah. So the red pepper here that we're gonna put in right now are good vibes. Let's give it a nice little slice down the sides. Squeeze them in together, little crunch together, and we just slice them in, people. Yeah, slice them like this. Good vibes. So the flavor, the peppers, each peppers now, like the red one, carries a different type of sweetness. From the yellow one and the green one, they all carry their own unique, different local flavor, people. Yeah, good vibes.
Hey, hello. How you doing? Hello, mate.
Well,
Mate. How you doing, everyone? All right? How Glenn? All right. How's it doing? Getting on all right, yeah?
Yeah.
Anyone?
Right, so what's happening right now? Yeah, we've had to put the stove inside the caravan, people. Yeah, let me show you what I want. So we put the stove inside the caravan, yeah, because it's gonna happen a lot quicker, because this is like a room environment that we're inside of here, cooking inside of the caravan right now. You understand? So there's no breeze, there's no cold temperature. So it's look how quick it's happening. It's moving mad quick right now, so we're gonna cook real quick right now, people. Yeah, that is it. Adam,
All good, man.
good vibes.
Even having to use the candles as light. Look, this is our light source.
Yeah, literally candles.
Plenty of them.
Yeah.
Burn some of them up tonight.
And then we've got our little speaker as well, so we can play some music, innit?
Music, food.
Look, you can tell that in there is steaming up.
Yes.
In there's probably ain't had a temperature like that in here for a little while, innit?
Yeah.
It's proper kind of cold.
Burning it up.
It's proper cozy right now.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. How long you been here in Jaywick?
Oh gosh, nearly 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
What's it like here in this community?
Oh, I mean, you get, I don't know what to
I
say.
see you got some
really.
cat food there.
Yes.
That's lovely.
You're feeding your cat?
It's not my cat.
Oh, look at that. But I saw that you went down by the sea just a minute ago to...
Yeah, I went and fed the seagulls.
So he's fed the cat, he's fed the seagulls. So this guy here, yeah, is connected with nature, is connected with humanity. Yeah, it's putting in back love, yeah?
Right, well, I like the animals and all that.
Yeah.
So, you know.
All right, good vibes. We're cooking some food right now, you know?
Yeah, no, you said earlier.
Yeah, dinner will be ready. Dinner will be ready very soon, don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, nice one.
No, but I just got something to do, and I'll be out, and I'll have a
I'll see
chat with
you
and
very
all
soon.
that.
See you very soon. Yeah. Yes, Woo, wagwan. Yeah, man, we're outside.
Yeah, mate.
Man like Woo, you know? Yes, little man, wagwan. You're good, yeah? Good vibes. What's your name?
Mason Rogers.
Mason Rogers. What's Jaywick like?
Good. I
Good?
think it's good. It's just people say it's bad, but I think it's the people around here are pretty bad.
Yeah?
But you do make good friendship.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Look, that's from the young man, you know, people, yeah? Telling you that you do make good friendship, so guess what? Keep the love. Little man here saying just keep the vibes, because if you keep the vibes, you understand? There's good people here, but there are some people that... You understand?
It's a lovely little area, mate. A lovely little area.
It is, it's all right around here. I've been here like 20 years, like, from
Yeah.
Croydon myself, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Right. What do you think about around here compared to Croydon?
Oh, it's different. It is different. I had to try and blend in down there a bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, a bit different. People down here. When I first come there, there's a lot of haters down here. You know what I mean? Yeah, they like outsiders and all that. But all them people all gone now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's a lot better of an experience.
It's a lot better. Yeah, so much better it is. I love it down here. I won't never leave here. I love Croydon and all that and New Hampton, but you don't get that over there
Peaceful,
in Croydon.
peaceful.
You know what I mean? It's like the beach. You know the beach, the sea. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
yeah.
It's quiet
You know what I
down
mean?
there,
I love the
it's peaceful.
fishing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I see you got your fishing rods right underneath there. Yeah, a good vibe. But look at this said way. Woo's allowed us to utilize his caravan, people, yeah. And this is where the cooking's going. And Woo, come look. Look what's cooking up in your caravan today.
Oh, it smells lovely in here, man.
Look.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Look at that, mate.
that's
looking good. I'll get some light in here if you want.
Yeah, no, we're good at the moment.
I've got
Yeah.
lights. I'll just want to lead over and
No,
plug
this
it in.
is a nice little spot you got here as well, man. I
Yeah,
like
man,
it. It's
it's
nice.
alright, isn't it?
Yeah, nice and cozy. So dinner will be ready in about about 45 minutes.
Oh, that's cool, bro.
Yeah?
I can't wait for it.
Alright, nice one.
Lovely, man.
Yeah, good
Cheers.
vibes, good vibes.
bro. Thank you.
Yes, everyone, so we just got a little community out here in Jaywick right now. So good vibes. Yeah, Adam noticed that the street lights are different.
Yes. Got more brighter orange.
Need more light.
How come it's so dim?
It's always like this down there.
Yeah.
So the council doesn't give a lot of street lights to look a bit. Look like
They've only just got these fixed. They've been not.
They
working
used to
for
be
a month.
white. They used to be white.
Yeah.
But now they're orange.
They've changed it. Yeah.
our good vibes was just here and we've got the pot. We just got the pot on in the caravan, people. Yeah, we've got our little welcome to. You understand? Our good vibes. Let's get in the kitchen and see what I go on. All right. Yeah, lift that up for me, Adam.
Right.
Yeah. Wow, people, look, a lot of steam. Yeah, man, things are bubbling up, so we're just gonna let this just go and bubble up for about the next 10 minutes, and after it's just boiled up for the next 10 minutes, we're gonna start putting like the heavy solids in the pot. Like we're gonna start putting some yam, some sweet potato, some Irish potato, some plantain. Our good vibes, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're just here in Jaywick. What's your time like here so far in Jaywick, Adam?
Nice, good. Got myself a couple of souvenirs.
Yeah.
A couple of little shows to take home for the missus.
That's it.
It's all gonna go good.
Our good vibes, man. Our good vibes. It's nice down here. Look, caravan's all steaming, smoking. I don't think cooking like this has gone in the caravan before, people, yeah? But it's always a first time for everything. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes when you're out with the kitchen and you can get a community out at the same time. That is it. What's your experience like down in Jaywick?
You know what? The people are so friendly. Such a brilliant little place. We need to help these people out a bit more, I think.
Yeah, man, it's a nice little community, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a brilliant community.
A good
Nice
vibes.
and cleaned up.
Good
That
vibes.
is it, and we've got the, you understand, the kitchen there. Yes, people, so we're just in the caravan right now, we're just putting some heavy ingredients into the pot. Our good vibes, we might have to turn the light on so that everybody can see inside the pot properly. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We'll put some light on here. Yeah, our good vibes. All right, so we've got the light. We've got the light working now, people. Yeah, so you can have a look in the pot at the same time. Yeah, man. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting up some sweet potato, peeling some sweet potato, putting it into the pot. We've got some nice flavors and some nice aroma coming out of the pot right now. With the coconut, with the garlic, with the thyme, the ginger, the scallion, the red onion. We haven't put any Scotch bonnet in yet, but we're gonna put a piece of Scotch bonnet in just a second, people. Yeah, a good vibe. Big up yourself. That is it. People, yeah, man. Look, so we're gonna give Jaywick some yam, you know, as well, people. Yeah, in the pot.
I've seen that
So,
video.
yeah, man, the pot will bubble up, so it's time for the yam to go in. Our good vibes. All right, everyone. So look, let me just peel up some yam quickly, you know, cause and I joked him because maybe. Have you ever tried yam before?
No, I never tried them.
Never tried yam. Oh, come, you're cooking with me. Come. Let's tell everyone your name.
My name is Mason Rogers.
Yeah, go on and tell everyone a little bit about Jaywick.
Yeah, Jaywick is a good area, very good area. And some of the people down here ain't that good, but it's a very good area. It's a good area.
And what kind of things can you do in Jaywick?
Go swimming.
Because you've got the big old sea beside you, right?
There's a park, yep.
Motorbiking.
Motorbiking because there's tracks. Just down there, there's Seawick. You go Seawick in a car. It takes you normally like an hour to get there.
Right.
You can just walk there.
So how far does it take you to get to your local school from here?
Around 2 miles.
About 2 miles? Do you walk there or do you get a
I
bus?
take the bus.
You take the bus. So how long does it take to get to school on a bus? Come this side.
It takes around 10 minutes. 10 to 5 minutes.
Do you do much walking
You
to
wait
school?
longer than you do.
Yeah, I wait longer for the bus than I do to get there.
Okay, so the bus takes long. Is this your mate that's just arrived?
Yeah.
Come in. What's your mate's name?
Reese. Howard.
Reese, Wagwan.
Ron.
You good, yeah?
One.
Cooking some vegetable soup right now.
It's good, doesn't it?
Yep.
I'm putting some yam in the pot.
Smells lovely.
Have you had yam before? Alright, look, he's gonna try some yam for the first time.
Is it a different country vegetable?
Yeah, it is. And it's
What country is it?
it comes from Asia, Africa and the Caribbean. And it's in America as well. Yeah. Certain parts of America. It's a root vegetable.
Have you ever tried goat curry?
Goat curry?
Yeah.
I must
From
bring
Jamaica.
some. Look. Ask them if they've tried goat curry.
Have you ever tried goat curry? It's really good. It's from Jamaica.
Put it in the comment section, guys. Yes, asking you guys if you guys have tried goat curry, please. Yeah, you need to put it in the comment section if you've tried goat curry. Yeah, are good vibes.
Very good.
Adam, come and look in the pot. I need to show everyone what really are going right now and where we've reached. Look, you stir up the pot right now. So everything's in the pot right now, Adam. Yeah. Can you guys see? Can you guys see in the pot?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That is it. So
That
look,
looks lovely.
I'm just gonna wait.
Smell that from my house, Austin.
Yeah. You hear that?
Smells lovely.
Reece said he smelled it from his house. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit more thyme in, everybody. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put a bit of ginger in there. Look, we're down in Jaywick.
You know when you do this at Croydon, how long does it take you to cook?
It takes a lot longer when I'm in Croydon because
There's
I'm
a
out.
lot more people.
Yeah, that as well. And plus, we're doing it outside and it's cold. So where we're inside now and this gas cooker is working like a home hub. It's working like a proper home hub, people. Yeah, we're on the go right now. Good vibes. Yeah, man, look, we're going to wash off some time and put some time in the pot.
You should have said, follow Ringo Vision, man.
Good vibes.
That's it. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah. We got some more people here.
Yeah? No, you have to say hello. You have to say
It's part of the cause.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, that's it.
I'm lucky.
And welcome to Jaywick. Tell us
I'm Alison.
You have to tell everyone welcome to Jaywick.
You are.
Welcome to Jaywick.
That's it,
I'm
that's
lucky.
it, that's it. That's it, welcome to Jaywick, people. We're here and we're cooking in the community. We're on the Humble
Avenue. Yeah.
Avenue, that's it.
Yeah, get yourself down here if you want some soap. That'd be nice. Good vibes, mate. Yeah.
You got anything else to say, little man?
Yeah, man. Please subscribe Ringo Vision
Come on, don't be
for
shy.
more videos like this.
Right, everyone, so what we're doing here, because it's a caravan here and it's a tiny space, we'll do is make sure.
We could just put this over here because it's
Yeah,
part of a bed.
Okay, cool, nice one. So what we'll do is make sure that we just tidy back up. We just keep everything in the plastic bag here. Our good vibes, that is it. I'm just gonna wait for complete cooking. Look, we're at the almost the grand finale. Look at that, wow! And we're in Jaywick, and this is happening in Jaywick. There's one more ingredient to go inside of this pot, people. Yeah. Could you guess what that ingredient is? Quickly, put it in the comment section. That is it.
8 days.
So you're gonna be 12 in 8 days.
Yeah, man.
Look, everyone, can you just tell everyone your name?
Mason Rogers.
Look, everyone, just wish Mason Rogers a happy birthday. Early one, please, yeah? Thank you very much. Our good vibes. And one of the ingredients that was missing that was to go in the pot, tell them, Mason.
Chili and
And it's right there in the bag.
green beans. I don't know what they're called. Okra.
That's it. Now he's a G. Look. He's got the memory. He's got the memory, people. Yeah, look, he said green beans and he said okra. Conscious awareness, you know, understand? He's got it in his consciousness, people, yeah. A good vibe. Some chili are going in the pot right now. Look at that, wow. We just dropped 2 of them and just let them just rest in there. Look at that, wow. We're in Jaywick and the food I cook.
Smells lovely.
Yeah,
It really does.
yeah. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes.
We're so lucky for you to come down here.
No, you're welcome, man. We was able to bring out the community here at Jaywick, and we've got the street community out, people, yeah. While the pot is inside the caravan cooking. This is just such an amazing thing. Like we're cooking for the community.
What's your name, bro?
And that's it.
Nick.
Nick.
We got Nick here.
Yeah, I've already said hello. Not very keen on being,
No, but it's cool. Big
Got
up
lucky as always.
Yeah. Big up Nick.
What's your name?
Reece.
We've also got Reece.
You got Reece. Reece, bust that pot. Let me see what's going on inside the pot, please. Let's see what's. Is that what you're in there dealing with, yeah? Big man. Big man is in there whipping up a storm for us. Like, look, he's my sous chef today, people, yeah. So big up Reese, yeah. And tell them your mate as well.
Mason.
Yeah, big up Reese and Mason.
Follow
Yeah,
Reese Howard 51 on TikTok.
yeah, go and tell them now. Tell them.
Follow Reese Howard 51 on TikTok.
Look, guys, yeah, you heard that. Tell them one more time.
Oh, and follow Petty Boo. I forgot the numbers.
Yeah?
That's Woo.
Rue's gonna come and do the thing as well, people. But look, let me show you what. Whee! Oh my
I had
gosh.
to lift it up a bit further because it burnt my hand.
Ooh. No. Things are going out here, no, look. No joke. Look at that. This is, yeah. We're gonna pop the okra in about 5 minutes. We're gonna pop the okra in, people.
Wait, what's
yeah.
that one for?
That one there was just to boil some hot water. That I've got hot water on deck to use. Like just whether to wash my hands or whatever.
You wash your hands with hot water,
Yeah.
boiling hot water.
But it cooled down. I waited until it cooled down. So it's warm at the moment.
Oh, that's why it's steaming.
Yeah.
You reckon you're going to try some?
What's
Probably going to have to wait for it to cool down.
Obviously, yeah. It will be nice.
Dinner's ready in
All
about
bit of veg.
15-20 minutes, guys. Yeah.
I just had two banging sandwiches around mine
Yeah.
because I had this really good cheese.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's better
Reece,
than them sandwiches.
what's this smell like?
I don't know. I can smell.
good?
Yeah, I've smelt that before, but I don't know what from.
Smells nice, yeah?
Smells like some sort of curry I had.
Does it smell coconutty?
Well, I don't really like Bounties, and I've tried coconut milk. It's basically the same, just liquid.
Yeah.
Coconut milk's a bit different to coconut water. Like, it's absolutely lovely, mate. Once you try some, you won't regret it at all.
Hello again.
Oh yeah,
Cheers to me, man.
I gave myself a shout out.
Yeah, what do you
Give
think?
Will a shout out and you a shout out.
Anyway, if anybody's here, go on TikTok, type in Pettyburo3 and please follow him. There's crazy videos.
Eskimos. You know, like the furry hat with me and him.
It's really good.
What do you think of the smells and the food?
Oh, it's
He
lovely.
hit me up, telling me to come here.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That famous bloke, and then I was like,
No.
Yeah, and
People,
then
look,
she was joking, so-
we're having a vibes down here in Jaywick. You know, it's not even a joke. It's a good vibes.
Yeah.
Now, Mason, what do you say? Tell me, describe
Describe the flavours.
Yeah,
Describe
come-
the smell.
There you go.
It sounds lovely, man.
There you go. Thank you very much. And dip that in and give it a little stir for me, Mason. You have to hold it at the top. Hold it at the top. That's it.
yeah.
Good vibes. Go on, you have to get it all down the bottom.
All the
and
way
stir
down.
it for me.
That's
That's it.
Yeah.
And what's the flavour?
Hey, Woo!
What's the flavour
We
smelling
gave
like?
me and you a shout out.
How would you
What's-
describe the
what's-
smell?
Describe
The
it.
flavours. How would you smell it?
The-
How would you describe it?
The describe of the smell is lovely. It smells
You
lovely.
can't even.
man. I can't even describe it. It
Yeah,
smells
that's
so
what I
nice.
was about to say. I can't even describe it either.
It smells lovely, man.
Caribbean sweet.
Alright, what we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna close up the pot, yeah, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna just add the okras in a little bit. Good vibes, yeah,
I
nice.
tried picking it up, when you told me to pick it up, and it burnt me.
We have to take time, we have to
Sounds
take time, we have to take time. Yeah, man, good vibes. Alright, that is it, people, yeah. Cooking in Jaywick. So what I'm doing now, guys, yeah, I'm just adding like the last ingredient into the pot, people, yeah, which is like the okra. And once the okra goes in, that's literally it. Really, we can just start serving up. Yeah, man, it's been an amazing time so far cooking here in Jaywick. Big up Woo. His hospitality has been absolutely amazing. Woo, just tell everyone a little bit about Jaywick some more, and then.
Jaywick's alright, it's a good place really. Come down here, you love the holidays down here in the summer. You know, everyone flocks down here in the summer all the time. But winter, you do get people like in poverty and all that. So what you're doing is a good thing. So you know, Jaywick as a bad place is not really a bad place. It's lovely, isn't it, boys? We
It's
love
just
it
the
down here.
people that are bad. It's the place is just lovely. It's just the people.
Some of the people.
Yeah,
Some
most
of
of
Some
them.
of the people.
Not
Yeah.
all the people, some of them.
Yeah.
Some of them can be a pain on the head.
Yeah, a bit like you sometimes.
How would you describe the flavours?
The flavours, oh man, I've never smelt nothing like this before in my life. It smells nice.
What do you remind? Just
Are you happy, mate? You will
anything
always
that comes to
watch this
mind?
guy.
Smells a bit like Indian food, I don't know. I'm not really sure. I've never had stuff like
It's
this.
got that
before,
sweet,
so. Yeah, it's sweet,
spicy smell
yeah,
to it.
Yeah, I can smell that. Yeah, ginger, I can smell that as well. What else is in there? What else in there? We've got Scotch bonnet going there.
We've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got Scotch bonnet pepper.
There you go.
We've just added the okra. We've got red onions. Yeah, man, we've got yam, sweet potato, Irish
Where did that
potato.
cushion for that go?
Yeah, good vibes, good vibes. We've got scallion in there, everything's in there, some tomatoes in there. So we're kind of like almost just ready to start serving up in about 5 minutes now. Now the okra's gone in and we've got some texture in the pot, people, yeah. We can just start serving up in about 5 minutes. Coming on very, very nicely. Good vibes. Cool vibes.
Donny, listen.
Look at this pot, everyone. Look, we're just there. Lucky's out there doing his thing. How good vibes said we anyway. That is it. Look, we're just here, people, yeah, and we're just almost at that completion. I'm just gonna close up the pot because we're gonna just let all the flavors just lock in, and then we can just start serving up, people, yeah, in about 5 minutes. How good vibes. That is it.
All good vibes, man.
All good vibes.
Loving it down in Jaywick.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
How we doing?
Yeah, we're doing good. Jaywick. We there.
Hey, Donny.
Yeah, we outside, man. We're cooking inside the caravan there. Can't get better than that, you know. Good vibes.
Come here, would you?
Come here, would ya?
Come here, would you?
I'll fight you for your shoes.
I'll fight you for a trailer.
Say that
I'll
again.
fight you for a fiver.
Say that again. Say that again. Say that again.
I'll fight you for your shoes.
Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Look, one love, brother. We've got some homemade wine here. What a vibes. What a vibes.
Damson, I can't remember now.
Slower Damson. Go on.
Let's try some.
Yeah.
Cheers to you, Ringo.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
And cheers to you,
mate.
Willie. Thank you very much. What it is, we're gonna give the gentleman his first cup of soup because we can't all be cheersing, and you're gonna get the first.
That's almost like a cherry bee.
Yeah, once again, you're getting the first cup of soup here. Good vibes.
I can't remember his name. Where's,
You tasted it.
Yeah.
Mason, come. Get a cup
where's
out,
the other
please.
two?
We'll do that.
No, I got him.
You come in here rough.
Yeah, and then
Strong, isn't it?
some powerful stuff. Big up Jaywick, people, yeah. And this one's on Jaywick, and you guys have been absolutely amazing. This journey here that you guys have enabled us to be able to travel. This is what it's all about, supporting the channel. We've been able to travel and come all the way down to Jaywick. Look, Wooly, when we got here, yeah, he shouted out, Ringo! So look, the universe, he said that he was thinking about just wanting to come down to Craven and link up. And then I was thinking about wanting to come to Jaywick, and the universe has just connected it. As we got to Jaywick here, we've met into this guy here.
It's fate. It's fate, mate. That's what it is.
Yeah. And look, we're all gonna have a cup of soup. Look, let's get this going.
Let's try that soup.
Yeah, let's try the soup because this is what it's really about, everyone. Yeah.
Hot, mate.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So let's make some.
Mason, tell us what's going on in
How's the soup?
It's good, man. I tried it. It's really good.
Really hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's get the gentleman outside. His wine's still running through my chest right now. His wine is very powerful.
Oh, yeah, that's got some flavour.
It's almost like cherry beer, isn't it?
Almost like Cherry B. Adam.
Yeah.
Getting the sweet potato going on in there as well. That is it.
Cheers.
You're welcome. Good vibes. Alright, Adam, do you want one?
Yes, my brother.
Good vibes.
Tell us, what do you think?
It's really good. Really good. Really hot. Really hot. I can taste everything he's put in there, isn't it? Like, every time I have a swig, I'll taste a different taste. And like, it's really nice, really good. Sweetness, bitterness. It's really good. Yeah. All of them combined, it's lovely, man. Oh yeah.
Thank you, Jaywick. Thank you, Jaywick. Thank you, Jaywick, for having us. Very, very nice community down here in Jaywick, people. Yeah. And them.
Good stuff, man. Definitely good stuff.
Mason.
Really good, man.
Oh, it's lovely. It's really good.
And look.
Warm me up as well. It's a bit warming. Yeah, it's really good, Nick.
What? It's good.
Nice.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah, it's happening, man. Cheers.
I don't know where everyone else went.
Cheers. They've gone to the shop, but yeah, everyone will come. So as we're here, people, yeah, we're just gonna our good vibes, man. We're just gonna hand out the soup, and we're just gonna have a cup of soup as well. Big up yourself. Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah, we're still here. We're still in Jaywick. We're gonna have a look at spin around and collect some people. You understand? And give them some soup, people. Yeah. So as you can see, that the soup is here and it's ready, and I'm here. I'm in the Caravan, people. Yeah, and it's so welcoming that to be here. Oh, good vibes, you know. I think they're gonna love this one. Everything's on point, people. Yeah, all the flavors, as Bully said. You can taste everything. The coconut, the garlic, the ginger, even Ringo Vision in these cold time has to take a sip from a cup once in a while as well, people. Yeah, especially that we're far out of port, and I know that I'm not gonna get anything else like this again until I reach back home again, people. Yeah, so when I'm out in far places like this, I have to drink a cup of soup as well and keep my thing going as well, people. Yeah, can't take no chances out here, so you know how vital the soup is. One more thing I want to say to you guys as well. You guys have been absolutely amazing on the journey, supporting. That's been a part of the journey. You guys have helped us to come down to Jaywick. You understand? And Jaywick is a very, very nice place, a very, very nice community. It is deprived, and a lot more can be done, and a lot more can happen here in Jaywick. I've seen it myself. There's houses that are empty. There's plots of lands that you can build on. So there's spaces for the community to have even things like a community centre, a games club, an internet facility that's offering like places like an internet hub, where people could go and use the internet, where people could go and use Wi-Fi, do some filing, some online work. Yeah. Because imagine, you know, some companies offer you to work online.
Yeah.
So imagine if there was an internet hub down here with like 20 computers. Yeah, you could go in the morning and work from home, like in the internet hub, like for a job here in Jaywick.
That'd be handy, wouldn't it?
And that will bring money into the community as well.
That's right. Yeah, it would do. It'd help people out as well. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it needs everything it needs down here. Like, you know, Jaywick got left out for a long time down here, and then it's only like in the last few years, about 4 years I think.
Yeah.
And they've only just started like helping down here and all that, but they do what they can. But
yeah.
The road at the top of Jaywick, they won't fix it. They won't fix the road at all. You know what I mean? And then the buses won't run down here either.
Yeah.
So everyone's got to walk up to the top end. So it's just one thing after another with the council at the moment. But they are trying, but then they're also letting people down a little bit as well. So.
At the same time.
Yeah, that's right.
And I've seen ways like, for instance, like imagine if there was an internet cafe here.
Yeah.
That means you could work from home in an internet cafe and do some online work for a company.
That's right. Yeah.
You know, whether it's office work, and all you have to do is just have internet.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, man. Come here, you.
Whiskers, we've got Whiskers in the house. Big up Whiskers. He smells the pot and he's
wants to get the food.
Wants to get the food. Whiskers, man.
You go over here. Sorry about that. That would be really handy for something like that down here. You know, there's enough space down here to do it.
100%.
You know what I mean?
I've walked around and I've seen what what could be implemented to make the community a more uplifting and a vibrant place.
There's just no opportunity for that at the moment. Like the council don't want to do that for us. That's why it's. If you look at it, like, you know, it is a bit down and out, but it wouldn't be that down and out if the council helped more. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, and.
But we've got a young man like this young man here. He needs these type of facilities because he's young and he needs opportunity in life as well.
That's right, yeah.
So he can't just be growing up
and he's good on computers as well.
There you go.
Really good.
Yeah, and
help her out all the time.
yeah, see, I can't read, so I can't read and write. So
Yeah.
he does everything like that for me all the time. So.
See, and it's important for him even to have like a computer as well,
Yeah,
even like a
that's
little
right,
laptop. And how does it go for internet down here as well?
Oh, we've got internet, we've got house broadband and all that down here. It's got fibre down there, full fibre.
Yeah?
That. Yeah, it's all
Okay.
down there.
That's good then.
It's just, if like you said, if they'd done an internet cafe, it'd help big time for people down there. So.
Yes, I mean, I haven't got the internet because I don't want to pay for it.
You say you're not paying for the internet.
I have to be careful.
He's a dinosaur, so he's not going to pay for the internet. I respect that.
If I
Fred Flintstone didn't, so why should you?
oh well, I mean, I do. I know how to use it and all that sort of thing. So
Yeah.
It's not that.
It's money situations.
Yeah, I mean, I've got to be careful with my money.
Definitely. You hear that, guys? Yeah, he said you have to be careful.
Nick helps
Not
everyone.
that I want everybody to know.
Yeah. Nick helps me all the time, don't you, Nick?
Yeah.
Nick's a good person. He helps me a lot.
Big up
Stopped
Nick.
me from getting kicked out of my house and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, helped me get a solicitor and stuff. You know.
Big up Nick, man.
Let me live with him for 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good man. Good man. Respect Nick.
Yeah.
Well done.
Done really well.
Nice.
They saved me. And
Yeah?
got me home.
It's nice stuff, isn't it?
As they say.
How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, I've just come.
That's why they're here.
I don't think it's ever going to stop raining.
That's why I let them in Caravan.
What's the council?
No, this is good. There you go, officer.
You're a star. Thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
I wish you the best next couple of days. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers. Cheers.
Does your colleague want one as well?
No, I think she's fine.
I'm fine, thank you though, I'm fine.
She'll regret it. She'll regret it.
Should we regret it?
Yeah, she'll do that.
It'll warm you up.
All right,
it's
so look,
lovely.
we're in Jaywick, everyone, and
I would say it's got a bit of a Thai flavour to it.
yeah.
That's what I
Yeah,
was thinking
lemongrass.
Lovely. Is it? What would you give it out of 10 then?
I'm going to give that a 9.5.
Lovely.
No, I like that.
Thai.
And who's made the soup?
A chef by the sounds of things.
Yes,
man.
Me and this young man here, he's been my shoe chef today.
Oh, have you?
We
So
done
have you been chopping?
You've done a very good job.
Yeah? Have you been?
He's been my assistant.
Ah, very
No,
good.
I think it's the other way round. I think you've been his assistant.
Yeah, man.
That's what I reckon.
Don't try and big yourself up, fella. We know the bosses round here.
He's the boss. He's the boss. He's the boss.
Yeah.
He's the boss.
Tomorrow he's doing salmon.
I love it.
Got a rod, mate, to go and get the stock, eh?
Yeah, go down there and fish for it.
So what's it like here in Jaywick then?
At the moment, quite damp.
Great.
But
Generally, I think the vibe is very community-based.
very community based.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We've come here all the way from London and
Oh, wow.
we've just been welcomed in. We've come in with
Which
our
part of
pots and
London
we're
have
just,
you been in?
and we're just cooking up.
Croydon.
Croydon.
So you've come here to
okay.
cook soup for everyone.
That's it.
Amazing.
And just to get entwined with the community, meet
Yeah.
someone in the community.
Well, if you go
and
to
just-
the community hall,
Yeah.
you'll see loads of people in there. The
Well,
knitting natter, the lunch
We've
club,
met
the
this
bingo
gentleman
club.
here, and he's been so kind enough to let us come in the caravan and just have a cook up.
Well,
Oh, nice.
And then that's how you've come along, and you've been able to have a sip, keep warm as well.
There you go.
it's very nice.
Keep going.
It's very nice. Right, gentlemen, thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
very much.
Cheers.
Have a good night.
Well done, my friend.
Yeah, well done for cooking all the soup.
I don't know what role he played, but I think he's minor.
See you later. Take care. Have a nice Christmas. Bye.
Good vibes,
Bye.
good vibes, good vibes.
Yeah, it looks like pumpkin.
Whoa,
It's lovely.
lovely.
It's so good, I've been digging my fingers down it.
Woo! And I'm enjoying it as well, everyone.
Mine's done, brother.
Good vibes.
Go on.
Your next one, Adam.
Yeah, I'll have third.
Just can you hear Reese and Lucky coming? Reese.
Hello, Reese. You been good?
Yeah.
Good boy. I hope you have.
There you go, Reese.
Race.
Is that somebody's or is that one?
Mate, it's very hot.
Yeah, I got to wait for it to cool down.
Give it a little. Oh yeah, wait for it to cool down and.
Lucky, do you want a soup?
Man, I haven't been to Surrey Street Market in years, man. Last time I went to Surrey Street Market, yeah, I went on my granddad's shopping.
Good vibes.
Yo, thank you, Ringo Vision. Lovely. Beautiful soup.
Good vibes.
Beautiful, good vibes. Good people.
Down in Jaywick.
And we just want to say thank you to Wooly for just welcoming us here with his family and everyone in the community as well, people, yeah, to actually come in this caravan, homely place. We actually cooked dinner here in the caravan, people.
Yeah, good vibes. Good vibes,
Good
man.
vibes. You can't get better than this. Look, we just fed the whole bill as well.
Yeah.
The whole bill just came through and got soup.
Oh, I see the police walking.
Yeah, they just came for soup as well.
Oh, nice. Good vibes, man.
Good vibes. Good
Good
vibes.
vibes.
Good vibes.
We missed it.
Yeah, we saw them coming though. We did. Yeah.
Most definitely, I am coming back down to Jaywick again, people. Yeah, we have fed some people, and we're here. We're in the community. You understand? And Jaywick is a very nice place. You understand, people? Yeah. It's not that much of the best weather, but the weather's been all right. We always make it work. The weather never stops us from doing what we need to do, but you understand? We've come down to Jaywick, and I just think that the people down here have been absolutely amazing. Woolly's allowed us to use his caravan, and we're just gonna hold the vibes for a little while as well down here while we're here, and just chill out. You understand? That is it. Our good vibes, innit?
Yeah, good vibes, bro.
Good vibes. Now look, we've got a challenge going on, just like that. A challenge is a pair.
Can we find them?
I'm gonna take 2.
We try and find them.
No. Lucky, you're not a bad man like that.
No,
Yeah,
of
one for
course
me and
not.
one for Lucky.
No, but I'll spot
find
one.
them.
I'll spot one. One each, unless.
What we're looking for right now, everyone, yeah.
You ready, guys? Stand up.
We're looking.
Stand up. You ready? We're gonna box a spot.
We're gonna show Jaywick how the spice is done.
Wait.
If we find them, come on.
The Spice King.
Where is this Scotch bonnet, people?
Man.
All right, look, this is the best part of the day.
Raw.
Oh, man.
Seeds and everything. The seeds.
Oh, look at the seeds. Jesus.
Come on.
I can already feel the heat. I ain't even tasting it.
Who's having that? Look, I can smell it. Who's having that half?
Come on.
Adam.
Come on, split that in half for you and them. Come on, let's go. Alright, that's not even half. But you taking the big half, Lucky, yeah?
Yeah?
Alright,
You're brave,
on,
man.
Lucky.
You're brave. Go on, lads.
Ready?
Come on, we're ready.
Oh, he's on
Go
it.
on,
Oh,
on you. Keep it down.
This
Oh,
one's
he's on it. You on it?
Keep it down.
fire.
We're ready for the last.
Tune
Look,
as
that
well.
one.
The blast.
Oh, fuck.
Now listen.
Let's all run.
Good?
Smell this, bro. Smell that.
Oh.
You alright, lads?
I'm good, man.
Look at his complexion.
Right, mine's gone. Oh. I need my hat on. Mine's gone.
Oh, bless you.
Oh, jeez.
I had the worst part of it, man.
No, fuck ya. Oh!
He's got beer here. What's the beer though?
Oh.
Bit of beer?
Please, sir.
No, it's fine.
Oh. I'm sweating.
One from the car.
Yeah, grab me one from the car,
Yeah,
please.
go on,
How we feeling?
He probably passed out if he does that. Go on.
Oh.
How you feeling? All right?
Nice and warm. Toasty.
Well, I won't be doing that again.
Come on, look at this.
Oh, mate.
For that cold weather.
Go on. Mason, don't do that.
The worst part.
I've done it before.
Nah, Mason, you've never had a Scotch bonnet before.
Yeah, I have had a
Yeah,
Scotch
he's tried
bonnet.
one of you.
Oh, this guy's
I had one
fine.
over the road.
What?
I've had a Scotch bonnet before.
A whole one like
I
that?
had a massive magnum because it was so hot.
What?
Yeah, he had that big ice cream for you.
Mate.
Can I do a goofy smile on camera?
Of course you can.
And I've had a red hot pepper as well. And I had to have 3 glasses of milk.
Nah, look, good vibes. Look, we're here. We're at Jaywick. Jaywick's a vibes, people. Yeah, I love it down there. Yeah, man. I'm coming back. Willie, I'm coming back very soon. Though.
Yeah, you're welcome, mate. You're welcome.
Oh, that got me, that did.
Adam's back in the house, people.
I got the worst part with all the seeds.
Yeah, nah, Adam's a bad man. Adam's a bad man. Whoa. Yeah. Alright, so what I'm doing now, everyone, yeah, I'm just putting the soups in the tub for everyone. Good vibes.
Very good vibes. Woo, come on, say good vibes.
Good bad, bro.
Good vibes, Lou.
Cerise, what did you think of the soup?
Ooh, it's quite good actually.
Yeah?
Well, I say quite, but I mean very good. Yeah. Everybody, I guarantee, going all over the country and looking for this guy.
Yeah.
I guarantee you should. That's a good idea for everybody to do. He's a really good cook.
Amazing.
It's like a chef.
He's a chef.
So Ringo, how's the time down there?
Here you go, Ringo. He's got a top there.
Thank you.
There you go, Ringo.
Nice. Now the time here has been, it's been good, it's been great.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, yeah. Definitely good vibes.
Good vibes, man. You like it down there then, Zingo?
Yeah, love it down there.
We got a big up Boo
Yeah, mate.
for letting us use his caravan.
Notice my caravan's leaking a bit now. Oh, dude, ripping it.
Here's the next. There you go, mate.
Nice one, thank you.
Where are you getting these tubs from?
I bought them.
Yeah, where are they? Where? I've got a couple more cups.
I think that one's a bit wounded.
Tablets there. Oh, you can't.
Step round 2. Oh, that's round 3. There you go. And this is the messed up one. I fixed it.
Alright, let's see.
And then there's top in the bottom.
Crush you.
Yeah, perfect. Fixed it.
Who give you sweets? Yes. You got all half right.
Well, it was Lucy that gave him the sweets.
I'm her. I'm him.
Well,
It was Lucy that gave you the sweets.
calm down.
Yeah, so what we're doing, leave a planting as well, yeah?
Yes, please, yeah.
Yeah, leave a plant. So we're going to leave a bit of everything, a little bit of ingredients as well. Here in Jaywick people, yeah? So good vibe, so I'll go, so this little bag here is for you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good vibe.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
And this is like a
Oh, the mix, yeah?
mix.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Yeah. and that's for the pumpkins.
Oh
so you
yeah,
can make a little
yeah.
bit of soup.
Oh, lovely.
And
Thank you.
what I do is as well, give you a pack of stock.
Oh yeah, yeah. Cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
And that you and the kids can make some soup
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, we do that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we do that. Yeah. Good vibes, good vibes. Thank you.
You can't leave out the Scotch bonnet.
Oh, Scotch bonnet, yeah. Scotch bonnet, everyone.
Yeah, we
So-
gotta crunch it up into 3 pieces and eat it.
The coconut, yeah.
Yeah.
I just split it and put it all in there.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Yeah.
just let it boil in there.
Yeah.
Just let it boil out.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, make it
Thank
bigger.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. We'll give that a try, won't we, boy?
Yeah. So.
Thank you.
Good vibes.
Good
Good
vibes,
vibes, everyone.
Good vibes, yeah.
Good vibes.
Jeez.
Yeah, good vibes. Let's see what we got now.
Yeah, give me
Yeah,
a
you
load.
got a lot.
Continuing the mission.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
put stuff in there and just, yeah.
Down there, man. Look, family house.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's it. Good vibes. Good vibes.
I'm too small.
He's a midget.
All right, everyone. Look,
Cheers.
Jaywick was absolutely amazing people, yeah, and I'll definitely come back down there again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll
man.
be here. We'll be
Always
here.
be here.
Cheers,
Big
brother.
up.
Big up, brother.
That is it.
Yeah. We love it.
Good vibes.
All right,
It's been wonderful. Thank you
Yeah,
very
man.
much.
Look at Play Boo,
Thank
guys.
you for having us.
Everybody,
No,
look
that's
at
fun.
Play
That's
Boo.
fun. Anytime, man.
Yeah.
Anytime, man.
All right,
Fucking
good
number.
vibes. So look
Hey,
out, yeah,
Ringo.
we're gonna be back down in Jaywick
Ringo,
again very
tell him
soon,
to look
people.
at Play Boo.
Look at Petty Boo.
Hey,
Petty Boo. Petty Boo.
Yes.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
she's a
One
TikToker.
love. That is it.
Yes, she's a fan.
Oh, she found it.
Yeah.
Keep it. Yeah. Oh, I was going to say, keep it.
See you later. Take care. Bye.
Guys.
One love. Yeah, one love.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
See you on live, yeah?
All right, see you on live. Yeah.